So, meine Herren, der Grund dieses Treffens ist die Bestätigung, dass unsere Aktienmitglieder in New York alle einverstanden sind.
Please. Our group represents a consortium of Catholic businessmen against the Corleone control.
The Vatican has cast its vote. The Corleone group already controls the board.
According to legend, the Vatican's vote must be ratified here in Rome, by the Pope.
The Pope is gravely ill. Until he recovers, I am powerless.
What if he dies?
Then, as you Americans say, all bets are off.
Gentlemen, please. This is a brief delay. Nothing more.
Your Excellency, gentlemen, I advise you join us in our prayers for the Holy Father's recovery.
Now, we had an agreement! And this meeting was to be merely a formality. That's all it was.
Please sit down.
I'd rather stand. Can someone just give me an answer? We have put ourselves on the line.
The Immobiliare has its roots in the European tradition. Please try to understand.
I understand. Your tactics are despicable.
Well, that's quite an indictment coming from a Corleone.
Gentlemen. Remember you're in the Vatican, please.
What is it that you want?
Yes. You will take control. We gladly put you at the helm of our little fleet. But our ships must all sail in the same direction. Otherwise, who can say how long your stay with us will last? It's not personal. It's only business. You should know, Godfather.
Very well. You want to do business with me? I will do business with you. Fighters, all of them. We're back with the Borgias.
Uncle Michael. I heard you were here. It's so nice to see you. Vincent, you look so nice. Listen, what is this with the Borgias? Those days are over.
Recognize it?
Yeah.
Janko Olive Oil. That's where our grandfather got his start. Started as a delivery boy making $3 a week. 3 years later, he owned the company.
Only in America.
That's it.
Hey, Vincent, where have you been hiding? You deserted us? We need your help so badly.
Well, now I'm back. What can I do?
Get rid of Joe Zasa. He sells drugs. Listen, when I was a young girl, it was different. Now I'm an older woman, and I'm afraid to walk the streets at night, you know?
Where's Vincent supposed to be at? Oh, what's going on? He's gone by. We're late. Don't tell me. God, Jesus.
I never let you down.
I trust you.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy yourself.
What was that?
Neighborhood's in trouble.
You're keeping your eye out for it?
That's right.
And for me?
From now on,
I missed you all this time.
I miss you too, cousin. I miss growing up with all my cousins. I didn't even know you when I missed you.
Do you remember stories about our fathers? The old days?
Yeah, what do you want to know?
What was Sonny like?
He was the prince of the city. Yeah, he died before I was born, but I heard a million stories about him. He was a legend.
What about my father?
The great man, your father. He was a hero. He saved the family.
Vincent,
What?
did he kill his own brother?
No.
So those are all lies?
your story, sweetheart. Okay?
Okay. I believe you. I'm glad you're around.
I'm glad you're here, too. Appreciate it.
I'd like to take Joey Zasa for a ride in this and drop him.
Joey Zasa is nothing. He's a small-time enforcer. He bluffs, threats, nothing. You'll be able to see him coming a mile away.
We should kill him before he comes.
No! Never hate your enemies. It affects your judgment.
Hey, girls, let's call it a night.
We trusted you to manage our money in the casinos. It's not even 20 years. You sold the casinos and you made fortunes for all of us. Bravo!
Thank you. Friends, I have come here because our business together is done. We have prospered, and now it is time for us to dissolve the business relationship between us. That's it. But I do have a little surprise, Al. Your shares in the casinos. I thought I'd cut through all the red tape so you could get your money right away.
Don Altobello.
Grazie.
Tony Pio.
$50 million. Not everybody gets the same. It depends on how much
Nothing for you.
you invested and how long for.
Michael, this is really generous.
Oh, wonderful.
Grazie.